something.
Trying to get mine out of the road here. Eric, let me get on the oasis. Nah, no, it's not that bad.
Oh shit, look at that.
He didn't even take anything.
No, he didn't.
There you go.
I'm good. Get that freaking wind.
Let's get this one out of the road.
I got a spot lock because the boat's turning all around.
Ah, gotcha.
Oh, that's the hung up one, ain't it?
Yeah, Eric, just put it on the end.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna pull it around with it, and then we can get that done. Got all yours on there. You get that stall.
Yeah, I gotta watch that.
And down. You can pull on that and get it over that. That'll work.
There it goes. Get off the hawk. Hey, we managed it. It could have been a lot worse.
I just need to get this one out. There. It's out. There you go. Well, you can start an inch over that.
Yeah.
Just start talking.
Dan here, Northernview Outdoors, here on the pontoon boat here with Ed. He is gracious enough to bring me out with him today. And we're going to start this video out with a fish that Ed got here on his planer board. What was on that one? Do you even know, Ed?
This one was shad.
And he hit it so light we didn't even know we had it on there. We was getting ready to come up and go to a different spot altogether, and he starts railing. He's like, hey, there's weight on the end of this. So decent fish, nothing wrong with that.
Step on that. That's about 5 pounds.
It's a good way to start out. Fish.
Some plane up there.
Yep. Whoa! Getting some love from the cats today. Let's get some more of that. Oh shit.
Oh, we got one running sideways?
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
Got a net on that one?
Yeah, I think so.
Lights on a little bit.
Live shad.
Is that live shad?
Yep. Got himself wrapped up too. Really?
Help lean on the seat right there if you need to.
Oh, I know.
You just got your rod and you're sticking too far in, that's why. It's another nice 5-pound.
That double finger. Trying to help you out here, buddy.
Yep, my pliers.
There.
Get it?
Yep.
There you go.
Nice bluey. Hey, turn around's fair play.
Yeah, but unconscious, you didn't get it.
Well, I was trying to be nice about it. All right, back you go, guy. Get bigger. All right, well, we're cutting our losses here tonight. We only rounded up the 2 fish, but you know, spawn's still hit and missing, so we're thinking maybe in a couple weeks it'll start picking up. But you don't try it, you don't catch enough, you don't get out here and do it. So if anything, for myself, Ed over here, we'll be out here sometime again trying to hook up some more fish. See you the next time around.